Today we'll be unboxing the Rota grids, 15 by 8. And we're gonna put some brand new Toyo R88s. See how it comes out, see how it drives, and the look. Hopefully it'll look better. Let's take a look.
Hey YouTube, how you guys doing, man? Hey, nice to see everybody. Hey, take care, man. Stay young, stay safe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like it though, Craig. Huh? You definitely like though.
The rim does the
15 by 8, 20 offset.
As a big name rim, I'm going with that.
Rota grids. Mm-hmm. Right. There you go. Just giving you a little hard time.
No, it goes a little tighter because the rims are so wide.
How is this one more difficult than that one was crazy. Hey, could be right. At least these come with a hubcaps. Oh my goodness. I was mad if they didn't because it's hard to really get something that matches it. These direction or no, right?
No, not direct.
Anyway, this.
Yeah.
Car definitely gonna be taller, like you said. Rim diameter, right?
Yeah.
Like the height of the actual rim.
Kind of rims want to pick up the car. The clearance between the rim and tire, rim and car is going to stay the same.
Last one. Yeah, you see, Craig, this is like, it's supposed to be hyper black, but it's satin black. But not bad though. Yeah, so I can't wait to see how it looks on the car. Like, you know, the width and everything, the height. Should fit perfect though.
Yeah, but the thing is not even the width.
Oh.
It's the offset. That zero offset. You can stay away from that. These tires with those wide rims, but he was you can't run a really big tire now. Not to yeah, definitely lighter though. You'll see the
Is it off by a lot?
no, it was 50 and 25, that's real good.
Make sure the rims aren't like retarded. You know it's rare, but sometimes.
Nah, that shit happens.
Give you one rim that you keep adding weight. It keeps saying 25, you're like, I already did it. One place where I used to work that happened though. Like I put weight and then they said put weight again. I'm like, alright, put weight again. I'm like, is this right or something? I don't think it's supposed to have that much weight. We just left it like that too.
It's got a 25, you're not gonna feel 25.
Yeah, just look up and then
It's,
I my head and gone.
Comes on 25. They don't want to put no weight to the outside. Remember this, putting this in the front. But nowadays, cheap shit is good, man. Everything's computer made now.
Rim's good.
Yeah, this one is perfect. It's another front.
crap, which one was the front,
different
bro?
one.
They're all good. Let's put them on here. Bring the car here.
Oh man.
You got new love this, man?
This guy, bro. I'm not MC Slick. I spent 200 on lug nuts too. I am gonna get them, but I'm more worried about that. I'm more occupied about the tire itself. We'll get to that though. We'll get to that.
Okay.
Straight.
You got that line? Yeah, took Eric back. Eric left. I was telling him to wash his off for me real quick.
Damn, definitely forgot about that. You should have stayed like 5 more minutes.
Yeah, wash his up, man. Put him in the.
Imagine you don't fit, bro. I'm gonna be mad. Yo, man, they played me. Oh, yeah, you're right. Chilling. This one. That's perfect. Perfect. And obviously I got the e-brake up a little bit, so.
That's a back one, huh?
It's not really too aggressive.
Yeah, the rims are light.
Oh, I bring the car up a little bit. Literally, it's like a finger and a half. And it was 2 fingers. So we could probably bring it up.
You need
Yeah.
to take it up a
It's worth the money. Let me tell you, if anyone's thinking about getting these tires, 1,000,000% recommend buying these tires. 15x8, 20 offset. Yeah, the car freaking hooked. Like First gear to second spun slightly. First gear spun slightly, then second was a little bit towards 9,000 RPM, spun a little, and then hooked in third. And when I rolled second gear and hit it, no wheel spin at all. Now a lot of people do complain about the noise. I didn't really drive it over on the highway yet, but when I did drive it and I neutraled it, I did hear a little bit of a whine, but it was very, very little. I know a lot of people complain about that, but it's very, very light noise. But overall, I'm super happy with the outcome. Like, I got exactly what I wanted. I wanted the traction. I wanted to drive nice, to have good drivability, at the same time grip. And I'm happy. And I didn't even do a burnout. If I do a burnout, I'd probably hook all of first. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the car, the new setup with the new wheels, the new tires. Thanks, man.
What wheels are those? You gotta take a picture, bro, like reflecting off of yours, like.
Rota grids. The grids. I know they have V's, but these are the non-V.
You take a little picture, like with slicks in the background, the slick car people.
Right. Let me. About all the dust he picked up.
I can't see it because its windows on.
My bad, bro. Now you do.
Stretch his legs real quick.
This thing's quick too.
This one to watch some over on.
Oh, you guys spent the chicken.
This shit's dirty right now. That's like.
Oh, that's what third of
Crazy.
Mile an hour, like, man, he just kills me.
I'll raise this up maybe half an inch, both sides.
Come hang with the big boys and see you get burnt, left. But now I'm gonna do a rolling start in second and then see how that goes.